Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can delete your Amazon account. But before that, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's get started. So the first thing we will do is we'll simply go to our Amazon shopping app where you are logged in with the account that you would like to delete, and then you will, once your app is open, then you will see this three horizontal line below right corner. Tap on that and then you will see this option called customer service. So yeah, you will simply tap on that option, and here just scroll down and then you will see this option called find answer in help article. Yeah, tap on that and then simply type in delete account, and this particular interface will pop up after that. Then you will see this first article mentions close Amazon account, and you can learn more about closing account by visiting your closer account page. So what you will do is simply tap on that blue highlighted text, tap on it, and then you will get redirected to this page. Here you can again read the article if you would like to, but if the first number that you will see down there is like go to closer my Amazon account, simply tap on that, and here again this particular page will open which says like closer Amazon account, and this is the, please read this carefully, is all the article mentioned that you will be permanently deleting your account. So if you want to reconsider, please do so you can just read that and see all of the subscriptions, and then you will scroll down and you will find this option called yes, I want to permanently close my Amazon account and delete my account. In this choose reason, you can, if you have a particular reason to genuinely delete this account, then you can just choose one of those, or you can simply just tap on this yes, I want to permanently close my account. Then you will tap on this close my account option, tap on it, and this is confirmation required. Apparently for privacy and security concern, you will get a confirmation email on your email address, the email address that you have added on your Amazon account. So once you go there and then you will simply tap on the confirmation email, then you can simply delete your account from your Amazon. I'm not going there because I do not want to delete mine. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope I have given you the answer of your questions, and yeah, please do leave comments below so we can make other videos according to your need. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.